So what's up, what events? Welcome back to a second episode. So we are here in Freakout Adventure Zone in Gandikota. It's 12:30. We just came in here and we checked in to this room. Prabhakar is inside. We got dressed up actually. They said they will bring us some lunch. So this is the room.
Hey, welcome back to second episode. Second episode will be exciting. We are doing some exploration, no man.
So don't mind this and all.
That's guy's room, so it will be like this.
So we bought the AC room because it's so hot here, bro.
You can't even stand outside. I mean, you can make omelette on the stones. Let's try doing that.
It's like that only.
We can try doing that actually.
And this is the washroom which they gave us. It's a basic and pretty good washroom.
It is pretty good.
We can manage it.
And a bed for two.
They said they will bring some
Lunch
for us. So we are waiting. We got dressed up and we are waiting.
We'll show you the lunch also once it comes in.
Yes.
We are really hungry. We traveled so far.
And we'll take a nap and then go and explore the fort of Gandikota.
Gandikota Fort.
Yes.
It's
They're
very
saying
close by here.
yeah,
just
it's
right here.
very close by, and they're saying they don't allow cameras.
So
but
we'll just try to
take the
some
camera
videos from our phone or something.
We'll do some jugaad. At late night, we'll be having campfire over here.
Maybe we'll take videos of that.
Yeah, we'll make sure that you guys enjoy this second episode also, as you like the first episode.
Yeah, we'll take more cinematic shots here.
Cinematic shots. We'll try to take
Yeah,
if
we'll
the
try to take
if they allow the camera,
if they allows, we can.
yeah,
Or else we can only take normal videos.
normal videos, and we'll try to edit it a bit.
Yeah,
Mr. Prabhakar is what to say, expert in that.
expert in that. Yeah.
Literally, the humidity outside is
Too bad. And
Next
so many animals around us, insects and all.
Next level.
Huge lizards are running around.
next level.
I
Why?
know
Because
what that is called.
why? Because we're in the AC tent. We are not feeling that type of summer. I think they came here. So 1 second. Yeah, the food is here. We got the food.
So we got our lunch. Here we
Yes.
have some crunchies and chutney. Is it groundnut chutney, right?
I think
I
so.
can smell it. Leave that, bro. Open the second floor. I want to see what is there.
It's rasam.
Rasam. Nice, nice. Smells good, bro.
Hmm.
Take it one by one. We can take. So much. Can we finish so much?
Think so.
Okay, rasam looks good.
And we have the
Dal.
dal.
Okay, dal.
Pappu. We are in Andhra now.
Nice, nice. On top of that. So we get plates like this, by the way. And yeah, some white rice. Okay, final thing. What is it?
I think curd.
Curd. No, more rice.
More rice.
So much rice. There's another
Box here.
box.
I think this is curd.
Might be curd.
Yeah. This curd.
Open it, open it.
Yes.
Oh, nice.
Curd.
This is more than enough. We can sleep peacefully after eating all this. So we are out to drink some tea. As usual.
Don't mind this because my eyes are so
He has
dull.
some surgery in his eyes.
Nothing like that.
That's why
Nothing
wearing
like that.
cooling glasses.
Nothing like that. My eyes are so dull. So just now we woke up. They gave us some tea to refresh.
Break time.
Break time.
Maybe we'll get our snacks also.
Yes. In a
And
meanwhile,
where are we drinking? Show that.
in front of this, I think it's blur. Wait, I'll show again. Yes, in front of this. This is the viewpoint. Look at that.
Whatever happens, they'll not stop painting on the rocks. I showed even in a Savandurga video. They were painting on the rocks.
If you didn't see that, it will pop up somewhere here.
Yeah.
Look at that view, man. So that
We are not
Prabhakar,
allowed to kayaking, right?
no,
You're
because of heavy flow of water, they said they don't allow.
In this season, maybe it's a rainy season because of that.
Pretty good tea.
It is
like
really nice, man. It's ginger.
We have this much of tea
We
to
need
finish.
to finish that, man. And no one else is there in the camp, right? Only one person has come right now.
Yeah, and
Including us.
No. We and the other person.
Yeah, that's what. Including us.
Including us, there are two people in
Totally
this.
two.
They said
By night there are more people. I
people
guess,
coming up. It seems.
We'll have
So
campfire and
if
stuff.
Saturday and Sunday means you can't find your tents only here. You have to pre-book it like we did it.
But
So,
we thought it would be crowded and but weekdays I don't think there's much
Yeah,
crowd. It's
yeah,
peaceful. Only animals are around.
So not only our tents, you can find these type of tents also,
small ones.
small ones.
And they charge less for that, and you don't get
AC or
No
charging. No, you get toilet.
But that's public for everyone.
Yeah,
right?
public for
Common
everyone.
for everyone.
But no charging sockets or anything like that. If you want to try that, you can come and try here. So we'll finish.
That's one type of an experience.
Yes, we'll finish our tea and get back to you.
So we had our snacks and tea. So we are gonna leave towards
The fort.
the fort. Let's go and see if they're allowing us to film or not.
If not, it's okay. We'll do some jugad and we will fix it.
Yeah, we'll just do some adjustment like we always do.
This is the fort.
We have reached the fort.
No, we haven't. We have to go.
Gone inside yet.
We have to go.
The walls are so big, bro.
Yeah.
There's a lot of dogs than monkeys.
You know what? The Sultans of Hyderabad also stayed here. It seems.
We'll go stay now. For some time.
They'll not let you to stay.
For some time. That's the guardian dog.
They have some masjids and temples inside also.
We can check it out one by one.
Okay. If my GoPro, the Osmo doesn't die. You have
an camera will say.
Yes. We have an alternate.
Check out the windmill, bro. Alternate source of energy.
So this is the entrance, I think. Look at this.
They told me that I always had to be good, but being good always been problems, it's true. So I learned it, and now I know I don't wanna play God. Maybe I'm crazy, but I'm around, baby, it's true, yeah. What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back, What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back, What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back, What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me.
Charminar, mini Charminar, I think. It's nice. There's a mini village inside the fort. Okay, this is the granary, it seems. They used to store all the grains and foodstuff inside this castle.
For all the soldiers.
For all the soldiers and for the city. As you see, the fort and the village people are inside the city. There's a mini village inside the city, so they used to store, it seems, in this granary. Yes, that's that.
If you never love me back.
There is a temple, Ranganaya Kula temple, it seems.
Some old temple.
We
found a spot for photos, bro.
Look at this.
That is more important, huh?
Yes.
You can even climb on the walls, I guess.
We can go inside, I think.
Yeah.
Look at that, man.
Plastic waste wherever you go. People keep throwing water bottles everywhere.
What to do? Wow, this is nice. Full on empty. It's like abandoned temple. But that's nice. With all these pillars over here. And the unique thing about this is there is no god inside this. You guys can see here. This is the main place where God used to be, but there is no God. I think in the war time they destroyed that.
Writing there.
Yeah.
It's a Telugu script, I guess. Can you read that? There are so many. Every stone has writings in it.
Yeah. But that's nice.
They say this is a World Heritage Site. I just
Okay.
read it outside in the board.
Oh. And this is the Grand Canyon of India.
Of course, it is right next to that.
Look at that, man. So that's the temple which we are talking about.
So it was closed, right?
I don't know. Let's go and check it out, man. I have to see the temple.
What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back, what if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back, what if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back, what if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back. They told me that
I think most of you guys can recognize through all the film climax. I think so. Most of the film.
people who
Watch more
watch
films.
nice movies might recognize this.
Half of the movie's climax will be here only in that 90s films and all. Look at that. Let's see from the front view. Wait.
Okay.
Closed actually. We are late here. I'll give the best view possible for you guys from this. That's the temple.
But we are not allowed inside, man. What to do?
It's closed. What to do?
I don't think they'll allow us actually inside.
Because of the COVID, right? Look at that, man.
Nice architecture, bro.
Yeah.
Really big. Imagine how big the doors used to be.
Yeah.
There's no door right now, but there should have been a door before.
Look at that. This is the temple. Look at the temple.
It has 4 floors though.
Prabhakar will be taking from the normal camera. Big camera, big camera. Action camera is not making justice. Prabhakar, come on. I think this is all about the fort and all. We saw this one and
The temple, we saw the old broken temple over there.
broken temple. I mean, there's no statue in
Yeah,
it.
there's no statues in it.
Statue
We
in
took
it
some
and
photos over there.
yeah, and we saw the
We saw the
Dominar.
entrance, the doors and all.
We saw the Dominar and the Charminar both.
Both.
It's a, I mean, it's a,
It's like it was locked actually outside.
yeah.
So we couldn't visit inside.
And the jail also was locked. We
jail
couldn't-
was locked. We were late actually.
Yeah.
We didn't know about the timings, no?
Yeah, we didn't know about the timings
We
actually.
need to maintain it soon. I mean, from next trip onwards, we need to.
Yeah, we'll do it. But as far as you see in this way, you can see the walls of the fort actually.
the
the
fort walls
boundaries,
is around.
the boundaries of the wall, the boundaries of the fort actually. 360 degree.
always had to be good. But being good always been problems, it's true. So I learned it, and now I know I don't wanna play God. Man, I'm crazy.
This is the jail area where they used to punish these kind of fellows.
Not me, bro. 2 fellows didn't come. Those
yeah,
kind
yeah,
of fellows.
yeah, those kind of fellows. Yeah, you're correct, man. And that's the Charminar. We have another Charminar in.
But this is one more.
Yeah, we
This
have
one
another
small one.
Charminar in Hyderabad. That's big one. This is small one. Kutti. We met some of our subscribers here. Say hi, bro.
Hi. Hello.
So thank you, bro.
Thanks a lot.
Bye.
Oh, we have egg curry here. And we have another big box. We need to open what is there in that.
I think we'll have some roti.
That's what he told, but let's just investigate. Okay, what's there in the first box?
Roti.
Chapatis, bro.
Yeah.
Chapati and curry, and we have curd also. That's
Cool.
nice.
I like that. That's nice.
Curd, and then
some
we have the
sambar.
next layer. Okay, so it's rasam.
Yeah.
The same rasam which we got at afternoon, right?
Yeah.
Looks the same.
Mm.
Oh, dal. The same spicy dal.
Yeah.
And rice, I guess, right?
Yeah, it's rice.
I think I can eat only chapati.
Why?
Let's just see. Because I don't like eating rice at night time, bro.
Okay.
So let's start having.
Yeah. When I am tired, and let's go outside and enjoy some campfire after eating.
And go to sleep.
Yes. So that's our camp, which you can see blue light.
And we are going to have a fire over there.
Yeah,
He's still
campfire.
making it.
He's still making it.
So once it's ready, we'll take nice videos.
Yes.
And show you guys.
Another 15 minutes because we are also literally tired.
I'm so tired, man. For tomorrow, we have to travel a lot again.
Travel a lot till Bangalore, so
Yeah.
we're not taking a chance. We have to take rest also.
We need lots of rest.
Yeah.
We had nice food and now we need lots of rest.
Nice home food.
Yeah.
We'll get up in the morning and we'll see.
What the plans are.
What the plans are. No, we already have a plan.
Plans, we'll tell you later.
We'll tell you. I mean, you guys can see it in the vlog.
The vlog name only you can see it, but we'll just tell once.
Yeah. Look at that once.
We'll just show the video, man. It's so pitch dark. You can't see anything around. You can only see factory lights over there.
Yeah. Only factory
One
lights.
dog over here.
There and here.
Yeah.
So that's it. You just enjoy this
Short
campfire,
video of this.
short video campfire. So after that, the second vlog will be over. The rest, third vlog will start from tomorrow morning. So wait for that.
Upload it late. So you guys have to subscribe and turn on the notification so you'll get to know when we post it. Okay?
So until next time, cheers to life. Joe signing off. Bye bye.